Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we go. This is another video about Ardore oven. Ardore is an oven made by Pizza Party. I purchased this oven just a few days ago, and this is a video about a marinara pizza. Last time I've made a margherita, and I'd like to make another video about the basic pizzas. So here we go. As usual, pizza is bigger than the pizza paddle in order to have a chariot wheel-like pizza. Now it's time to increase the power of the flame, just to simulate the moment when you add more wood to the oven. This is a pizza that needs to be well cooked, according to my taste, to be very honest. And this is why the cooking itself will take just a little bit more than the usual 90 seconds. By the way, did you enroll my pizza class on Udemy? Link available in the description of this video. You will find a lot of interesting tips, a lot of interesting hacks, and you will discover many things I never told or shown in my videos on YouTube. So enroll now, it's cheap, and you will learn a lot of things. Back to pizza. You see, the crust is huge. Surprise! The area which looks better cooked isn't the area close to the burner, but it's the area close to the lateral side of the oven. This means that burner doesn't burn pizza, and this is great because if you compare Ardore to Rockbox as instance or to Uni, pizza is very close to flame because the flame is lower, so it's on the same level and very close to pizza. That's why pizzas used to get burned. Well, you see now a flame just came because I moved pizza too close to flame, but this is another story. So the cooking is almost finished. I told you I like a well-cooked marinara pizza. It should be a bit crispy according to my personal taste. So let's check the bottom. It's a smoking pizza. See? Okay, to be very fair, there's just a little burn around pizza as a sort of circle, but this is probably because I used too much flour when I stretched it, and then it took a little bit more, so I have to pay attention next time. Okay guys, so that's it. This is my marinara. Thank you so much, and remember, Ardore is an offer for under €50. You can find the link to the store in the description. See you next time. Hey, where are you going? I was just joking. So, like this video to watch more, leave a comment, subscribe my channel, ring the bell to activate the notifications, and enroll my pizza class on Udemy, link in the description. Follow me on Instagram as Gigio Pizza, on Facebook as Runaway Dough, and use the hashtag Gigio Pizza when you publish your pizzas. See you next time!